How to fix camera stuck on black screen after update on Samsung Galaxy S23, S24, S25. First, let's return back to the home screen. Now this is quite a common issue, especially after a software update. The camera app glitches, gets cache corruption or loses permissions, resulting in a black screen when opening the camera app. So here are some of the quick fixes you can try. First, we can force close and we open up the camera. So swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In here, we scroll down and tap on apps. Then find camera. Here, camera. Tap on it and then tap on force stop. Tap on OK. And then try to reopen up the camera app and see how you go. Next, you can try to restart the phone. So here, press on the restart button, then restart the phone. After that, you can try to turn on the camera. Next, we can try to clear the camera app cache. So swipe down at the top and tap on settings. Then tap on apps. Then tap on camera. Now in here, scroll down and tap on storage. And in here, tap on clear cache. Now if that doesn't fix it, you can clear the data as well. So tap on clear data, then tap on delete. Next, we can try to check the permission for the camera. Here, we scroll down and go into settings. Then go into apps. And then tap on camera. From here, you want to tap on permissions. And you want to make sure you enable camera plus microphone permission. So here, make sure you allow microphone permissions and camera permissions. So make sure they are allowed. Okay, and then after that, you can also check for storage access. If your phone storage is full or restricted, then make sure you have enough free storage space. And ensure the storage permission is allowed on your device. Another thing you can try is to go into safe mode. Safe mode loads only essential apps. You can do that by hold on the power button. And then touch and hold on power off. And reboot in safe mode. After open up the camera. Now if it works in safe mode, the problem is an app conflict. So for example, third-party camera app add-ons or video editors, cleaners or themes can cause an issue. You may want to investigate on that front. Next, we can also try to reset the app preferences. So swipe down and tap on the settings icon. Here we go into apps. And then tap on the more button. And from here, tap on reset app preferences. Then try to reopen the camera. Lastly, you can try to clear system cache partition. You can do that by power off the phone, press on the volume up, plus the power key until you see the recovery menus. Then select wipe cache partitions from the Android recovery menu and then reboot. Okay, so those are the things that you could try. If the issue started after a software update, go to settings, software update, and then try to tap on download and install, or install any pending patches that Samsung may offer to fix up the camera bugs. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.